Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create and save your outfit in Berry Avenue. So if you want to save your style outfit in Berry Avenue, so effortlessly in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can create and save the outfits so you never lose your perfect fashions combos. So first, to easily here you can just choose the best outfit first for your avatar. You can create on your own or your favorite outfits. So after you put on your favorite outfits, now if you want to save it, you can just tap on menu, click on outfits, and tap on this create new outfits, and rename your outfits or name your outfits in here. We'll just go with this. Now you can just tap on enter or create, and just like that the outfit has been created. So let's say you already switch with other clothings in here and you want to go back to your favorite outfits before. Let's say I'm going to put this on and I want to bake into the outfit that I saved. So you can just go to the menu again, go to outfits, and tap on the outfits that you want to reuse, and it will automatically apply to your avatar. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.